Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got this Weinsberg campervan to show you, 553 centimeters long, which makes it a small campervan, almost a tiny campervan. 73,290 Ford 550 MQ. What makes this sort of stand out on any Ford? It's slightly longer than the Fiat or the Citroen on the smallest vehicle, but it's got this very high roof inside, which I think is an attractive feature of it. It's got a widthwise bed at the back, as you'd expect in a vehicle of this size. You've got storage all the way around, including have a look inside. We have got an elegant kitchen block, 2 burners, a sink. We've got drawers down here, which I just tried not to hit the steps, and nonetheless I did. And of course we've got a fridge at the front down there. Forward facing bench, got a small table. Can't really expect one much bigger in a vehicle of this size. But even the bulwark, even though they've put this storage place up here, which is all kind of blankets and things like that, I suppose, there's still a reasonable amount of headroom as you come out of the driving and passenger seats. Storage here, and what they've done here is completely pointless, and that is the problem when people design these things, don't use them. They don't know that when things move, they fall out. Let's have a look in here. I think this is rather elegantly done as well. It's a nice washroom, and in the circumstances, given the size, it is quite large. Look, there's me inside. Now, bear in mind that I'm standing on the duck board, and I've got my shoes on, and there's a carpet on top of the duck board, and it's still plenty of room above my head. This is very much the advantage of the Ford. A nice moulded sink over there, and you can keep an eye on what's going on outside through that window. And in here, you've got space to keep shampoos, soaps, or whatever it is you're using. Steps up to the bed. There's again these cubby holes here. Well, maybe that you could just about put some spices, I suppose, or something like that in there. We've in all Knaus Tabbert Vans, Weinsberg being a company of Knaus Tabbert, you've got this sort of system for turning the light switch on and off. Shore power, 12 volts. And let's now come to the back. Notice there is a skylight there, and above me there's also a skylight as well. Roller blind over there, over the window, as you'd expect, and got windows in the door, storage at the back. Again, you see, that hasn't been broken, it's just that people don't know how to put them back in place once they're finished doing whatever it is they're doing with them. In here we will find it's a 5 kilo gas container, gas cylinder. Heating is therefore via diesel. That's for cooking, and it'll last a very long time unless you've got it continually running. This will of course all come up, move to one side. Bed comes in 3 parts, and I think that's largely about it. I like the colour, by the way. Not that that's a reason to buy a vehicle, but Tula on the store, awning on the outside, and I shall now come to the front. They've left the you see the darkening blind inside. I'll have to do a video on how that works. I'll do it with my own van. So thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting. It was a very quick look at this highlighted Weinsberg Carabus at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in this type of thing, then please subscribe. For the moment, bye for now.